Many entrepreneurs focus heavily on revenue, but one financial factor determines whether a business survives or struggles: cash flow. Today on Cube Capital TV, we're discussing why cash flow is the lifeline of every business. What cash flow means: cash flow refers to the money moving in and out of your business. Even companies with strong sales can struggle if cash isn't managed properly. For example, if customers take too long to pay invoices, businesses may struggle to cover expenses in the meantime. Why cash flow matters: healthy cash flow allows businesses to pay employees and suppliers on time, invest in marketing and expansion, handle unexpected expenses. Without consistent cash flow, even profitable companies can face financial challenges. How businesses improve: cash flow. Smart business owners manage cash flow by tracking expenses carefully, maintaining reserves, and sometimes using financing tools like lines of credit to smooth short-term gaps. Understanding cash flow is one of the most important financial skills for any entrepreneur. For more insights on building stronger businesses and smarter financial strategies, subscribe to Cube Capital TV.